Everyone, so I'm going to talk about my website mockup that I made. I decided to do this website on Dunkin', and here it is. It's not, I got inspiration from the official Dunkin' Donuts site and other website templates that I found online. So I went ahead and got those, and I kind of just put it together. And I was looking for the official font for Dunkin', and I actually found out that they have their own font. So I tried to use one from Adobe that was like a little bit similar, but it's not as similar. But I guess it is similar in a way. But anyway, so I use the colors based off of the official colors of Dunkin'. I actually learned that it's Dunkin', not Dunkin' Donuts now. Uh, so, uh, Let me just get that. Okay, there we go. So here's the home menu or the home page, and here I put photos, and here is some donuts and coffee right here. This first photo was supposed to be like a beginning, the beginning of I guess of what they serve. So if you navigate, hello everyone, I'm going to talk about my website mockup that I created for this class. So I decided to do one on Dunkin'. I actually learned it's not Dunkin' Donuts anymore, it's called Dunkin'. So that was pretty cool, interesting. Okay, so here is my homepage. The whole design template itself, I got inspiration. I got inspiration from the website and other website templates that I found online. So I kind of went ahead and put that together. And so here's the homepage. I went ahead and used I used the first image. This is like a glimpse of what they have here. I thought this photo was pretty cool. Like, it kind of just showed you that they serve coffee and donuts, but they also sell other things, which the coffee drink is ahead, and the like in front of the donuts. It specializes in drinks. So here is a little photo. This is like the number of photos are on the bottom. So if you were to navigate in the little pink arrow right here, you would see this gray arrow like getting darker in each slide you move to. So hold on. Okay, sorry. So this is the menu. So I went ahead and put some of the menu items right here, and if you wanted to see more menu items, you just click that pink arrow. You wanted to view ingredients, allergens, and nutrition facts. You just click on this little button right here, and it'll navigate you to all those facts on the specific food item that you're looking for. And here's the About Us page. I used an Arial font for this page. Also, like, usually when on a descriptive item, I would use an Arial font, and went ahead and put that, and then they put an image of a Dunkin' building right there. And here is the contact us page, and here is a map image of where Dunkin' Donuts is. And I believe that this is the official Dunkin' Donuts or Dunkin' Donuts headquarters, or like the beginning. Yeah. So then I specified on the bottom that there are 11,300 Dunkin' restaurants worldwide. I went ahead and specified that there because there's a bunch of Dunkin' Donuts everywhere. So this was my website mockup, and thank you all for watching this video.